Imagine applying for your dream job and knowing you will get an interview before you even hit send. That sounds like magic, but in 2026, it is just how the game is played. We are no longer guessing what hiring managers want. We use smart tools to analyze exactly what they are looking for. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure you subscribe for more insights on navigating the future workspace. The first and most critical step is your digital profile. A few years ago, we just guessed keywords and hoped for the best. Now, we have personal AI agents that act as your career coach. You simply upload your resume and the job description you are targeting. Your tool highlights the gaps instantly. It tells you that you are missing specific certifications or that your experience with project management needs to be phrased differently to match their company culture. It is not about lying or fabricating experience. It is about translation. You are translating your actual hard-earned skills into the language their specific sorting algorithms speak. Think of it like a key and a lock. Before, you were fumbling in the dark trying to find the right key, hoping something would turn. Now you have a blueprint of the lock. You adjust your resume until the match score hits 90% or higher, and you can see exactly why it matches. This gives you control over a process that often feels chaotic. But getting past the initial filter is only the start. In this modern landscape, static documents are fading away. Dynamic portfolios are the new standard. You can use generative tools to organize your past projects based on exactly who is viewing them. If a tech company looks at your profile, they see your coding work first. If a design agency looks, they see your creative visuals. The tool does this switching automatically. This ensures you always make the best first impression possible without lifting a finger for every single application. It creates a seamless experience for the recruiter. It makes their life easier by showing them exactly what they need to see immediately. Ultimately, that makes you the top candidate before they even pick up the phone. So your profile worked and you have the interview. This is where most people get nervous, but you will not. Why? Because you have already done this interview 5 times in the comfort of your living room. Voice and video simulation tools have changed everything about preparation. You load the company profile and the job title into your practice application. It generates a realistic avatar that mimics the interviewing style of that specific organization. If that company is known for asking tough or technical questions, the avatar grills you on details. If they focus on culture and personality, it asks about your hobbies and your core values. You speak your answers, and the system analyzes everything in real time. It checks your pacing to make sure you are not rushing. It notices if you use too many filler words. It even monitors your tone of voice to ensure you sound confident but not arrogant. You get immediate feedback on your performance. You adjust your story and practice again. By the time you sit in front of the real hiring manager or log into the real meeting, you have muscle memory. You remain calm because you have actually been here before. You know the questions they are likely to ask, and you have your best answers ready to go. Finally, let's talk about the hidden job market and networking. Cold emailing used to be awkward and often ignored. Now, intelligence tools analyze public professional data to tell you exactly who to contact and when. It spots when a department gets new budget or when a team is expanding before a job is even posted. It identifies the hiring manager and drafts a message for you that references their recent work or public posts naturally. This takes the awkward sales feeling out of networking and focuses on genuine connection. It helps you build relationships rather than just asking strangers for favors. Finding a job in 2026 is not about working harder or sending out hundreds of applications blindly. It is about using the digital intelligence at your fingertips to work smarter. You have the talent and the skills. Now use these tools to make sure the world sees them clearly. Don't forget to check the description down below for a curated list of the tools we mentioned today. Like this video if you found it helpful, and drop a comment on which strategy you will try first. Good luck out there.